So now the 1-1 coming to Douglas. He'll hit it hard down to third baseline. Fair ball. It hits near the ball boy's can. He gets out of the way. It's a double, and the Mud Hens are back in front. Can you cool down Brandon Douglas, Louisville? I don't think so. How about that? Now the ball boy sits on a can. That's the can I was referring to as it tipped over. He's trying so fast to get out of the way. He scattered, the can tipped over. We're watching it again. There he's trying to get out of there, and but he did not interfere. There was no interference. Now he almost got in the way of Murphy, but he again gets out of the way. And the Mud Hens take a 4-2 lead. How about that? And now Jim Riggleman will make the change.